and welcome to our Tuesday session of spelling with me, Miss Medlicott. Now today we are going to be carrying on learning the letter string O-U-G-H, which is of course a letter pattern that we were practicing in yesterday's lesson. Thinking back to yesterday's lesson, can you remember the different sounds that the O-U-G-H letter string makes? Pause the video now and write down what you can remember from yesterday's lesson. Well done if you got this one right. Yes, that it makes an oo sound, as in through. It can also make a long O sound, as in dough. Yes, it makes an off sound, as in cough. And finally, we looked at how it makes an up sound, as in rough. As you continue practicing this letter pattern, O-U-G-H, it's useful if we have a look at how we can write this using our neatest, nicest handwriting, Year 5. So here on the screen you will see the O-U-G-H letter string spelt correctly. It also shows you how to join the letters correctly. So we start with our O, joins at the top over to the U, and down, round over for the G. Notice how I'm keeping the pen nicely steady and keeping the letters more or less a similar sort of size. And we'll see that join again. O and joining the U at the top. The U goes round, over for the G and the H. A third time, we see a join for this spelling rule. In your workbook as well, you can be practicing the same handwriting join for a fourth time there. Trying to keep my letters a consistent size, keeping my pen on the page at all times, and finish off there. Good. So, of course, these are the spellings that I've asked you to practice and to continue practicing. So now you've seen the handwriting join, you can practice writing the words out using the same handwriting join, and you can also continue to make those links with the Explorer, like I demonstrated in yesterday's lesson. Good. Now we're on to the last part of today's spelling session. To help you practice these spellings, I have put an example of a look, say, cover, write and check table on the screen. In your workbook, you can copy down the same table, but you can copy a row for each of your spellings. So there on the example we have though, although and dough. And you can continue the table so that you're covering all of your spellings to practice. You have to first of all look at the word, say the word. If you want a reminder of how to say the word, please refer back to yesterday's session. You cover the word, so with a piece of paper or with your hand. Then you practice writing the word. You check it and see, have I included the right letters? Have I spelt that letter string correctly? And if you need to correct your spelling, please do so underneath the correction box. Remember, if you are left-handed, you might want to put your spelling word on the other side of your page so that you're not smudging your work or stopping yourself from seeing the letters that you need to see. Continue practicing these spellings, and tomorrow in our spelling session we'll just do a quick revision and then a mini test. Good luck everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.